the water.
Take out the body parts. Take out the body parts.
Body parts! Aida, she just did it.
No, she's not.
No, I'm really not. It was on nose and everything. It wasn't that long ago. They had to drain all the water.
It's not falling.
Here we go. This is not cool. Why are you warping? Aida, it's like whitewater rafting. Why is it going so slow? Oh my god. I don't want to get wet.
No, why is it ready on mine?
You don't.